Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to hear. It's getting louder. So today I will be showing you how to hear. Now you probably don't have a clue as to what I'm saying at the moment because I haven't taught you anything, unless you can read my lips of course. If you cannot hear me or read my lips at all, then all I can do is apologise because everything I'm saying at the moment won't make any sense to you whatsoever. But at least you can be rest assured that you have clicked on the right video about hearing and learning how to hear. Wait a minute. Subtitles exist, don't they? I just need to figure out how to implement them on this video and then you'll all be able to understand what I'm saying. Need to figure out how to do that. Oh, that could take some time though. Might have to watch a YouTube video to figure out how to do that. Oh, never mind, they have miraculously appeared all of a sudden. That is fortunate. Right, so I believe we are ready to learn how to hear now. Hearing, as we all know, comes directly from the ears, so what you'll want to do is try and locate them, and they should be directly on your head. So find your head. Mine is located here, this is my head, as you can see, and there should be some ears located to the side of the head. So we'll locate the first one, see if we can find it. Oh, here's something. Yes, so it's like a bit of like skin stuff that is like sticking out. So this is one ear. If it's a bit bumpy, then you probably found an ear. So that's one. So we need to move over to see if we have another ear. So we go like this, like that. Yes, I have two ears. I'm very fortunate to have two ears. Now, try this yourself. Maybe you have two ears as well. Now, if you don't have two ears, maybe at least you have one ear. And if you have 0 ears, then you might want to try and get some installed on your head. It doesn't have to be on your head, but that's generally where ears go, so I try and have them here. So, we have located two ears, and we need to now test whether they work or not. So what you'll want to do is to raise one of your arms like this, about yay high, and then turn it like this, and then turn it like that, and then what you want to do is to put it to your ear like this, and then just turn to the side, and if you can hear stuff, oh yeah, then you can hear. And we need to do the same with the other ear, so again, raise arm, turn it again, and then put it to the ear like this. That's some good sounds. I can confirm that both of my ears are working, thankfully. If they're not, then maybe you need to try like a more fancy arm movement. So like something like that. This may help with your hearing. If there's still no sound coming out of your ear, maybe just try tapping on your ear. Just try tapping. Testing, testing, 1, 2, testing, testing. Now if these techniques don't work, just remember that there may be nothing wrong with your ears at all. It could just be that everyone and everything around you is just being really quiet. Have you checked to see if you're in a library? Try stepping out of the library, maybe you'll be able to hear stuff. Maybe you've noticed that you can't hear any sounds when attempting to listen to music or trying to watch television, for example, and you just believe that you've gone deaf, and that's the root cause of it. Have you checked that the volume on these devices was on? Maybe it was on mute. Maybe you have not even switched your television on. Maybe you don't even have a television. Ooh. Just remember, no television means no television sound. So I hope that you can all hear now because I've given you every possible option available out there and I don't know if there's any more, so really do hope that one of those options has worked. If after all of this you still cannot hear anything, then maybe it's worth seeing like a doctor. but I'd certainly recommend trying the advice I've given to you here first. Just keep practicing. So that is the video complete, and I'd just like to give a special thanks to the subtitles that have managed to keep up with everything I've been saying as well. So I'd like to give them a special round of applause. So well done. See you later. So you should all now be able to hear me loud and clear. Why are the subtitles still on the screen? You are not needed anymore. Shoo! Get out of here. That's better. What the...